RTX 4080 Super and a 7800X 3D computer build, specifically ZOTAC RTX 4080 Super, which I am very surprised at how small this is. If we compare it to an RTX 4090, it's literally like 2/3 the size of a 4090. If I exaggerate it, it's half the size, but it's literally 2/3 the size. So if you have like a small form case, like one of the mini cases, like a Lian Li mini case, that would actually be a really good 4080 to get for that. So for the motherboard, we got an ASUS X670E. X670E. Really just got this one for aesthetics. I think it looks really cool. It's going to fit the build. We are going to be using the HYTE Y70 case. Should probably talk about that now. HYTE Y70, it's literally the exact same thing as the HYTE Y60. The only thing that they ended up doing is they increased the height of the case so that you can install 3 fans on the side rather than 2. And then the second thing that this one actually does not have are the fans on the bottom part of the case. Why they chose to not include those beats me. So for the CPU, hopefully my light doesn't reflect it too brightly. It's a 7800X 3D that we're going to be using. We got 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM in it. I actually forgot the speed. The speed of the gigabyte RAM is 6,000 megahertz. So there's that. And then we're also going to be testing a 2 terabyte NVMe drive that already has Windows 11 installed on it from a previous computer. And we're going to put it in this and see if it boots up. Probably won't, because whatever. And we got some basic just white power supply extensions. We have a 1200 watt Be Quiet power supply. Be Quiet power supply. I love Be Quiet. They're a really good company. So we also have a, I know I'm gonna butcher this. I know that already. You don't have to tell me. You ready for this? Dracana. That doesn't sound right. Dracana. Try to say it yourself. Dracana. I don't know how to say it. But anyways, 360mm AI out to become CPU. And that is everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and build this fella. You guys will have already seen what the computer looks like, seen all the benchmarks and all of that kind of stuff. So